Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to be taking out all my cactuses and maybe my succulents out on this table, inspecting them and cleaning them, and also cleaning the greenhouse. It's a beautiful day. It's December 31st. What are we, like high 60s, and the low temperature tonight is going to be at 50. So if I leave these plants out, they're going to be fine. So yeah, I'm excited to do that and clean the greenhouse. I've been meaning to do it, so hopefully I'm able to accomplish that either today or tomorrow, finish it completely. So I just wanted to bring you guys along, and nothing, I just want to wish you guys all a happy new year, and my uncle, if you're watching, Tio Chapio, I just want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, I've emptied this whole shelf out, and then this side. Now what I'm doing is I have a sponge here with some water, and there is some soap in there, and I squeeze it as much water as I can take out, and now I'm wiping these down. So, and I wipe the shelf down as well. So pretty much this is what I'm doing, and then take it, do that, and then wipe it down. There is dirt on here on these plastic things, but I don't know if I need to dry it because I don't know what's it gonna dry like. So that's my only concern, is how it's gonna dry. So I might need to get a rag and dry at the same time. I'm not sure. So we'll see. I'll catch up with you guys. Hey guys, so far, let me zoom out. I've wiped all those. I know it might not look super clean to you, the plastic. It's because it's dirty in the outside, and I won't be able to do that. I'm gonna focus in the inside now, and then maybe in the spring, because I'm gonna start work again, focus on the outside, washing the outside. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, at least these walls are not dirty. Let me show you the dirty water, how dark that water is from cleaning that. And then this is the rag wiping. So yeah, so I wanted to I'm not done inside the greenhouse, but I wanted to go ahead and go through all the plants out here before I put them back in, because that was the goal, to look at them and inspect them and make some decisions. So okay, so for this here, this let me zoom out a little bit. It's kind of cluttered back here because I put a lot of stuff around here that I took out the greenhouse. This arrangement is really old, so I am thinking about redoing it, giving this big tall plant its own pot because it's super tall. This one maybe as well, and then I think I need to discard this one. I've tried so many times to try to save it, and it just keeps going in a bad direction, so I'm just gonna get rid of it. This one still looks okay. I have to spray it to see if I can still save it. Maybe it'll do better on its own, I don't know. So, and then maybe in the future I'll just redo a very similar arrangement because I do like the pot. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking about doing with that. Most of these look okay or good. This one, I bought this a while ago, and it's been some time that I should have repotted, but that is not the reason it looks the way it does. It got sick. Maybe this is like the red stuff is spider mite. I really don't know, but I am treating it. I'm not sure if I will end up keeping it or not. We'll see how it recovers. All these other ones are doing good. This arrangement is doing good. This, at some point, it got sick. I've been spraying, and as you can see, it's outgrown that. It's no longer getting that. I should spray it just to be cautious and for it not to continue to spread. So that's that one. This one, I had this before, and it ended up dying. I don't know what this is, the red stuff, that stain. It could be corking, but it could be spider mite or something similar. I don't know what it is. I did just spray it, so hopefully it doesn't keep spreading to the plant. I'm not sure. Look at this beautiful cactus right here. I love the colors. I'm not gonna know the name of all these, so yeah, you can always take a screenshot and try Google, see if that works. This one originally, the main plant, which was this one, was really thick, and it could be because of the pot or because of the pups. It's really pushed these out. Looks so pretty, and yeah, this is what it is. I might need to repot that soon. This is one of my favorites. I just really like looking at it over the head like this. It's so pretty. It's got spikes, it's got fuzziness. It's just a really, really beautiful cactus, and I love how it produces these pups. I really like it. I love the fuzziness in this one. I've had this one for quite a long time. This one is new, and it had a flower and it had these fruit. I did taste it. It tastes sour, sweet and sour, kind of. I don't know if it's ready, but it was sweet and sour. I got a little spike on my hand. I took it out with my teeth. This one's doing okay. Look at that cute little flower. Also has been there for a while. I haven't been getting much sun these last couple of weeks, or maybe 2 months, because of the the weather. So that could be the reason why these look kind of green in the tips, maybe. This beautiful cactus right here needs to be repotted, so I need to do that. I got to keep in mind what I need to repot. There's many things I need to be repotted that I haven't repotted. This succulent arrangement, I think, is doing good. Needs water. Also, yes, a lot of my plants need water because I didn't water them because it was raining and humid. Now it was cold. I'm thinking that tomorrow, before I put them back in, I can give them water, as long as I put them back in the greenhouse and not leave them out here where they can be exposed to temperatures dropping. It will still be way warmer inside the greenhouse. So yeah, I mean, it's only gonna drop in the 50s, but I still wouldn't risk it. I can just wait till tomorrow, water, and put them away. That's the plan. Hopefully I can achieve that. You see those red marks? To me, that's a type of bug, some type of spider mite or something. Let me come over here without making you dizzy. And I've been using, this is a new product to me. I've been using this, and I think it does work. I think you have to be consistent. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray that right now that I see it, so it doesn't get worse. Okay, let me keep going. Look at these beauty that I rescued a while ago from Walmart. It was 3 of them, and they look so cute. And they're good. That one's pretty cool back there. I think that's the monkey tail cactus. It's doing good. This one, obviously, I got, when was it? I think a few months ago, I'm not sure. It needs to be repotted as well. This needs to be repotted. Might need water. Many of them need water. This one, it doesn't grow too fast. It takes a long time. It looks like this. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with it. Many of the succulents are fine. This little one, I don't know. I'm gonna assume that it's alive. It just stays small and probably requires more water. Some succulents do better with more water than others. So yeah, these are flowering, and I did water these, and I will put these inside because before I decided to clean the greenhouse, I was about to water, and then I decided to clean the greenhouse. So yeah, obviously I have euphorbias mixed in here, and this one is looking better. This yellow stuff it was before I repotted it, but now that I repotted it, is looking better. This beauty is flowering right here. So cute. Let me show you. I like this arrangement. Very good. Everything's doing well except for this one. This one has always looked like that since I got it, so I don't know when it's gonna outgrow that. That is definitely could be like some type of either corking or cold damage. I don't know. So yeah, that one back here looks like it needs more water. Maybe I should repot it and water it. I don't know. I don't know if I would do both. So I think I would water now, wait a little bit, and then repot. These are here. Look at these beautiful flowering. I almost missed them because they were all the way up top. And this arrangement is so old. I got it from Home Depot and it's doing very well. This beauty was in it and I left it on there, and look at all that powder that it creates. I think it's farina. This one I got too a long time ago and it's doing good. I might need to spray it in the back. I think I see a little bit of something, some type of bug in the back, so I'll show you guys that. Another one that I love to look at, just the way it grows. I don't think this should grow long ways like this. I think it's growing like that because of the pot, but I don't mind. It's still a really pretty cactus. This one, that spray that I've been using has helped it a lot. This has some type of scales, really bad right here, as you can see. You see the new growth doesn't have it, but again, you have to be consistent because scales are a pain in the butt. Yeah, these bugs can be a real pain. This one hasn't flowered for me. When I first got it, it did flower, but it was already flowering when I purchased it, so we'll see if it flowers. Look at this cute little flower. This is a variegated type of mammillaria that was grafted on here, and it's really beautiful. It's doing well. I think this is foxtail. So pretty. I do like it better than the monkey's tail, I'm gonna be honest. I mean, not monkey's tail. Then actually, I don't know what the other one's called, because they call it monkey's tail, but it's not, so I'm not sure. This is the monkey's tail, and I keep saying that I want to propagate it, and I haven't done that yet. But again, I need to, maybe I'll propagate it like one time, like cut it only one time right here where it initially had, like where it grew, and then just put this one. You can see it has a bunch of aerial roots, needs water as well, but it's super soft. Look at that cute little tail. So yeah, this one I also sprayed. See, you can see again that stuff there, and I believe that it's a type of spider mite. That's what I think. So yeah, this one needs to be repotted. I purchased it just like this, and I need to repot it. I mean, I don't like super have to right away, but eventually I do need to. I believe this one needs to be repotted. It's on top heavy. It needs to be like deeper in the pot. I love this one. Super nice colors. This one is super cool too. Right there. I think it's type of like monster cactus. And then this one, it's really dehydrated. I can see that it's dehydrated. It needs it. These two are also and on the dehydrated side. This I did with you guys, I believe at one point. It's doing really well. It's so cute. Need to keep watering. This is another one that tends to get sick a lot with scales. I should spray it just to be on the safe side. Here is this euphorbia. I propagated this one, so I have quite a few. Here are these beautiful euphorbias. This is my I forgot what this is called, but it has gotten so tall, as you can see. I think my plans for this one is to repot and leave it outside the greenhouse. I think it would just do better outside the greenhouse. I've seen people on Facebook in Florida keep these out in the open, so I'm gonna do that. I think it is a little sick. I sprayed it just to see what happens. Here's this beauty right here. So pretty. Love it. I love the fluffy ones. This one, I'm not sure if it's the same one as the foxtail or if it's that one. The reason I think it's the foxtail is because it doesn't have the long spikes. See, Charlie, come here. Oh, the difference between this one is that it shoots out these long spikes. Ooh, ouch. Darn it. I don't know how long it takes for it to do that, because this one does not have it at all. So that could be the same. I think it is the same. But my other one does not do that. The one that I showed you earlier, that's a bit on the smaller side, it does not do that at all. So it's a different type. Love these blue cactuses, love them. This one needs water as well. So does that one. This one, you know, I didn't think I had this one, so I bought it. Then I was gonna take it back to Home Depot to switch it out, because look, I do have it. So I wanted a different one, and when I took it back to switch it out, I said, hey, nothing is wrong with it, I just want to swap it for another one. It doesn't matter. They were gonna take it back. We're still gonna throw it out. I'm like, what? You're gonna throw it out? She's like, yeah. I'm like, never mind, I'll just keep it and not return it. Why would you throw it out? Nothing's wrong with it. But that's what they said, so I was like, I'll just keep it. Anyways, so this one is doing really good. Needs water as well. Look at those beautiful colors. And I already spoke about this one and this one as well. Look at how funky that looks. Some of these look, I don't know what that is. See, you gotta keep an eye out on some of the stuff. It could be just, I don't know, spots that dry. Like, what is this here? See? I don't know, like, is it a scale? That right there? Or, yeah. I'm just gonna spray it. Spray everything. It's not gonna hurt it. So it's just better to be safe than sorry. I just wouldn't spray it if it's gonna get direct sun. Right now, it's afternoon. We're not getting any more sun in this spot where I am, where the table is, I would say. No strong sun. Anyways, the temperature is also really cool out, so there's no strong sun at all. So yeah, I'll spray that one just in case. There was another one that I wanted to spray. I don't remember. Oh, this one is doing really well as well. Look at it. Love the colors. Let's see if it focus. Love that gray blue. I just love, you know, they stand out when they are around more plants. Oh, yes, I was going to tell you. Here it is. See? That's sick in there. Right there. It could be old. It could be that I treated it, and because if you don't brush that off, it's going to stay there. So that can be old, and it could be dead, and I just don't know it, because I do remember spraying this a while back ago, treating it, and it hasn't spread anywhere else. It's still in the same spot. So that could be, like I said, just old scales that are not active, that they're dead, and I just, you know, I never cleaned it off. This beautiful euphorbia belonged to my mom, and my aunt sent it to me. So here it is. She sent me a piece, and it's grown so nicely. So yeah. What I was saying is, I like looking at them like this. Their beauty stands out more when they are together, because their colors just pop. And yeah, I wish I can have them like that in my greenhouse, just a long row of these beautiful plants, but I can't. They have to be, you know, the way they are right now. So yeah. So that's it for this part. I'm gonna finish up now, and then I'm going to put everything back in the greenhouse once I'm done cleaning, and I'll show you guys when that's done. Because this video is already long, I'm just gonna go ahead and post this. I'm just gonna title it, I don't know, winter cleaning greenhouse. I don't know. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that, and then I'll post another video when it's all done. I hope you guys have an awesome New Year's Eve, New Year's Day. God bless. Bye.